Today, we'll be taking a look at the Vivitar 4K action camera. I found this camera at my local Walmart for $25, and I'm going to show you everything that comes with the camera, how to set it up, some sample videos and photos, and how it compares to GoPro. I'm also going to be giving this camera away for free. Details on the giveaway will be later in the video. First, let's take a look at everything it comes with. A floating handle, extra battery, waterproof case, tripod and mounts, and a 64GB U3 memory card. Now let's take a look at the buttons. There's a Wi-Fi multifunction button and a micro USB charging port. On the bottom is the battery cover, SD card slot, and a speaker. On top is the power/mode button and the shutter/OK/menu button. Now we're going to set up the camera. First, open the battery tray and insert the SD card. Hold the power button and the camera will turn on. Press it again to bring up the various shooting modes, and press the Wi-Fi button on the side to scroll through. Once you've selected the mode, press and hold the shutter button to pull up the menu, and press the Wi-Fi button on the side to toggle through the options. Press the shutter button to select the setting and the Wi-Fi button to toggle through the options. Vivitar has various resolutions and frame rates, so pick the one that works best for you. Some choices have EIS, which stands for Electronic Image Stabilization. Next is video quality, so leave that on high. Next is white balance. If you don't know how to set the white balance, I'd recommend leaving it on auto. Next is exposure compensation, so unless you're familiar with setting exposure, I would leave it at 0. Next is metering mode for your exposure. Again, if you're not familiar with exposure, then leave it alone. Next is ISO, and leave it on auto unless you know the exposure triangle. Then we've got timestamp, so turn that off. Then video voice, so leave that on if you want audio on your video. Last is motion detection, so leave that on close unless you need it. Now press the power button to go to the next settings menu. First, we've got image rotation, so leave that unchecked unless you need it. Next is screen brightness, leave that on high. Then we've got anti-flicker, which I'd leave on auto. Indicator light, which I would leave on. Then we've got screensaver, which I would leave at the default to save your battery. Next is automatic shutdown, which you can set up to your liking. Then tone setting, which I would leave set to close. Then boot music, which I'd leave on. Next is language, which I leave on English. Then you can set your time and format and time setting. Then the date setting. Next is format, which will reformat your SD card and delete anything you have saved on it. Then you have device info and factory reset, which you won't touch unless needed. Press the power button to exit and the Wi-Fi button to confirm, and now you're all set. If you want to turn on the front screen, press and hold the Wi-Fi button. Here's a video of me just walking, and just for comparison, here's the same shot with my GoPro Max. Next, here's a video of me running with the Vivitar, and here's the same shot with the GoPro Max. Alright, so this is the vlogging test for the Vivitar 4K action cam, audio and video. Alright, and this is the vlogging test for the Sony Zv E10, audio and video. Now let's take a quick look at a couple photos. Vivitar claims this is a 20 megapixel camera and the image size is 4032 by 3024. You can also use the HelloCam app to wirelessly control the camera. First, download the app and press the Wi-Fi button on the camera. Now connect your phone to the camera via Wi-Fi. Open the app and press connect the camera. Now you can record videos and take photos wirelessly. Obviously for $25 you can't really complain for what you get. Can you use this for professional work? I wouldn't recommend it. But if you want to capture videos and photos at a ridiculous price, or maybe you have a kid who wants an action camera, this may be the perfect solution as long as you have realistic expectations. As promised, I'll be giving this action camera away. All you need to do is like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. A random winner will be picked once my channel hits 1,000 subscribers. Thanks and good luck. In the description, I'll put an affiliate link for my recommendation for best budget action camera, as well as the GoPro and Sony camera I used in this video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel as I have a lot more videos in the works. Thanks for watching.